Please excuse the mess I'm going to clean up. But yeah, I've been a little lazy. Also, I can't like position the camera right. It's the best I can do, I guess. So for production. I have been thinking about these cinnamon cookies. And I looked them up. They're Finnish. And they're called Kaneliasset in Finnish. It's been a long time, like long time since the last time I've had them, but they popped into my mind a while ago, and I was thinking of making them. It's shaped like an S, like the name has it, and it's coated in cinnamon sugar, and I think it's mostly eaten with coffee, but that's because Finnish people love coffee and everything is eaten with coffee, so our afternoon coffee. So I looked up a recipe and I'm going to link it down below, but it's in Finnish, so if you can't read Finnish, I guess this is your best bet. Maybe if I can I actually maybe no, it's too dark. Nice like a spotlight. Okay, I think this is fine. Okay, never mind. We're back to crouching, so you can see the bowl. 1 deciliter of melted butter. I'm going to use margarine.
Margarine. Margarine.
So like plant-based. I hope we have a deciliter. Here's my deciliter. I'm using it to measure. It's good you can't see the table. Yeah. I'm going to use this to measure out the butter. Butter. Here is the deciliter. And I'm going to melt it in the microwave. So just a moment. Butter usually melts quite fast, so I think I'm doing a minute tops. Just a moment. Well, the butter is melted, so we're going to do sugar. This is half a deciliter. In it goes. And we're gonna follow it up with the butter. Okay, in goes the butter. I am a passionate spatula advocate. Like, I can't stop talking about it. Half a teaspoon of vanilla sugar. Something like this. And 3/4. So like 0.75 teaspoons of baking powder. Is it 75? No! I think we might be running out of cinnamon, which is not good for this, so. Okay, no panic, there is more. Anyway, we're gonna do 1 teaspoon. Once all that is in there, we're gonna mix it well. No lumps or anything. I think I'm becoming old because my back is hurting from crouching down like this. And I feel like a Quasimodo. Half a deciliter of potato starch. I think you might be able to use some other starch because they are all pretty much the same in my experience. But well, the recipe says potato and we have only potato. 1 deciliter and a half deciliter, so 1.5 deciliters of flour. Hold on, let me get another one. Oh, I think I just inhaled the flour. Ah. Okay, that's heavy. Hold on. Next, we mix as well. Okay, let me show you. This is what it looks like now. And the recipe says to let it chill for half an hour. It doesn't say anything about the temperature, but I'm going to put this in the fridge and just hope that's what it means. So we'll see you in half an hour where I hopefully have cleaned up a little and I have eaten dinner. I'm putting the oven on 175 Celsius. I'm glad to say I was cleaning, but well, this still looks like that. So what did I really do? We're going to mix the cinnamon sugar. So just cinnamon and sugar. I don't know how much you need, but I think that might be good. And here is the dough. This is what it looks like. It has been chilling in the fridge for a little over half an hour. It's a little soft still and hard to handle because it keeps falling apart for some reason. Don't know about that. Maybe I should divide it in three first. Keeps falling apart. I hope this is not a bad sign. Most likely it is, but I would really like this to work. My back hurts. I divided the dough in three, and I'm going to divide each in two. So we're gonna make 6 in total. And you just roll it into, I don't know what's the word. Oh my god. I'm planking so hard. So you just roll it, and I'm going to insert the right word somewhere. I'm going to look it up as I'm editing.
Roll the dough into a log.
It's so fragile. It keeps falling apart like this. I don't know how long this should be. It just said as thick as a finger. Maybe like this. I'm scared to lift it. Okay. And then you dip it in the cinnamon sugar. You coat it. Should I first make the S and then coat it maybe? I'm trying the next one like that. But now I am making it into an S. I have to confess that I can't remember what the S's are supposed to look like. Hold on. Let me just Google it. Okay, the first one I made don't look like anything what it's supposed to, but we're just gonna roll with that, and I'm going to make the next one hopefully a little bit better. I think I made it too long and too thin. So I'm going to make this one a little bit thicker and shorter. And I'm going to make it into an S before I dip it. I keep using the word dip. The word is cold, right? Hopefully it doesn't fall apart halfway through. I'm making it a little bit thicker. As soon as I bend it, it cracks, but well. It's a little S. And I'm putting it into the cinnamon sugar. Yeah, this one looks a little bit better. I'm going to show you all of them before I put them in the oven. This is the first one I made, and well, it looks nothing like it should, but we're gonna love it equally. And here is the rest. They look a little bit better. And the cinnamon sugar I made, that was more than enough. You don't need a lot. But I'm going to put it in the oven next. They're out, and they look pretty good, I can't lie. Let me show you a pretty one. This one looks pretty. It looks exactly like it should. Okay, it's been a few days. I got distracted and I couldn't film the taste test. But, well, now it's time. I have to confess I did taste this and these are so good. So good. And they taste just like they should. I just think that the dough falling apart when being rolled, it made it really hard to work with. Okay, it made it a bit hard to work with, so I don't think I'll be using this recipe again. Maybe I'll try a different one next time, but this did turn out really good. And here it is. I think it's S shape if you look at it this way. Here it is. And I have my cup of cappuccino. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Hmm. It's been like 3-4 days and these are still good. I think the texture is good. They're soft. And of course it tastes good. So yeah. I say it is store pretty well based on this. Here's my cappuccino. Not very finished, I know, but don't mind me. Yeah, it was fun doing this type of video, and I bake and cook a lot, so I think I'll make more. Thank you for being here with me, and we'll see each other next time. Hopefully you treat yourself too. Go buy yourself a little sweet little treat. You deserve it. Thank you for watching this video and baking with me. And I hope we'll see each other soon. It solely depends on me doing these videos, but I hope it's pretty soon. Have a nice day. Bye.